Hey, business owners! Have you ever wondered how to take your customer relationships to the next level? Today I'm diving into Salesforce, the ultimate tool for transforming your business with AI. So, what exactly is Salesforce? It's a cloud-based customer relationship management, or CRM platform that's designed to help businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Salesforce has something for you. Let's talk features. First up, Agentforce. This AI-powered feature automates tasks, assists employees, and delivers personalized customer experiences. Imagine having a virtual assistant for your entire team. Next, unified data. Salesforce integrates data from all your systems to give you a 360-degree view of every customer. This means you get a complete and consistent picture, making it easier to understand and serve your clients. They also offer a suite of specialized apps for sales, service, marketing, commerce, and IT teams. These apps are designed to streamline operations and make your teams more productive. Now let's get into the benefits. With Salesforce, you can increase productivity by automating repetitive tasks and providing your employees with the tools they need. Imagine the efficiency boost. Improving customer experiences is another big win. Salesforce delivers personalized experiences across all touchpoints, including 24/7 support. Your customers will feel valued and heard, and don't forget about data-driven insights. Salesforce gives you the information you need to make informed decisions and drive business growth. Salesforce isn't just for tech giants. It's designed for businesses of all sizes and industries, making it super versatile. Founded in 1999, Salesforce is a pioneer in cloud-based CRM. Built on a single integrated platform, it ensures data consistency and seamless workflows. And let's not overlook their commitment to social responsibility and driving positive change. Salesforce is about more than just business. It's about making a difference. So if you're looking to transform your business and elevate your customer relationships, Salesforce is the way to go. Check it out today and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.